how's it going? So I'm quite excited. I've been at the Miniature Photography again using my Jason Friday the 13th character, which I love. This time I just went out into the garden, found some logs because it's autumn, and I built him up into a little woods, lit it up and took some shots, and I think the results are incredible for what I'm doing, and it was zero money as far as set costs. This is part one of 3 videos because I do elaborate the set and I bring more characters into it to build it up, and I think the next shots are even better again. This could be done in a park, in a woods, anywhere, so you don't really need a garden to do this. It was raining at the time, I just happened to be in the garden and just set it up nicely. So let me know what you think in the comments. This is quite a good learning curve because you can learn a lot about cinematic lighting. I certainly did, and it'd be handy if I do shoot real people in the future, then I know how to light it and how to light the scene. So it's good for cinematic lighting and cinematography type of learning. So enjoy the video, please leave a comment if you can, if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So this was the first shot I took. I think I overlit it slightly with too much red, but he looks cool. It's slightly out of focus, which I love. It's got a bit of grain, very 80s. You can see the texture on the wood logs I'm using. They're only small. You'll see this now in the footage I've done on my phone, how small the set is. This one's fantastic. An out of focus tree on the left, which gives you a bit of foreground interest, gives you perspective of how far away he is. Really important. This one cropped in, really nice red lights on him. Yeah, it looks great. He's almost like his face is coming out the shadows. You can see the texture on the tree. Really, like, the pose of it is very cinematic. Really pleased with this one. Next one, again, got it. I'm shooting through some foliage to make it look like I'm looking at him through the trees and he's coming at me. It's that scary horror vibe. This is probably my favorite shot out the lot, but they get even better in the next videos. And this is the final shot I was happy with. Again, it looks like he's creeping out from around a tree. Yep, absolutely love it. I used a bit of smoke. So I'm going to switch to phone footage now, and you'll see the set and how I did it. It's very simple. Enjoy. Right, so I'm just switching to my phone here to show you how I'm doing this shot and explain a few little tricks. I got some uplighting going on there. This one looks like it's run out of battery. We got these 2 little uplighters there just to put a bit of shadow, just put a bit of uplight so it looks a bit more, you know, classic horror, shooting from uplighting. Then I've got these branches that I'm pretending are trees. I've deliberately picked some small leafed foliage to make him look more in proportion, and I'm shooting it against something that is moss and smaller. I'm trying to remove these giant leaves because that's going to give away the proportion. I've got film camera and digital just to test the shots, tripod, and I've got this mini fogger machine as well. So it's not night time, which is a bit of a shame, but I don't know if I can be bothered to wait till night time to do this. But yeah, really, to make him look bigger, you want to shoot low down, and I'm going to try and remove some of these things that look too big. Though the leaves in the background are actually quite big, but because they're further away, you can't really tell. So that's what I'm going for. Anyway, let's see how we go on. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. There are more videos coming, so consider subscribing and please comment. It does help the channel out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.